This is the front room. That's Jordan's brother's furniture. For now, we're keeping it for him until he finds a place. Kaylin on the phone. Who are you talking to? ¿Quién es? Háblale. The kitchen. Very nice open kitchen. Dining room. Y outside, allá están los patos. Ven, Kaylin. This is a bathroom. Guest room. Linen's closet. Kaylin's room. Her closet and her mess. The office. Messy still. Opens up to our bedroom. A little bit messy still too. My messy closet. Our bathroom. The bathtub. The toilet. And it opens up to the kitchen again. And our laundry room. And the garage. And Kaylin, where's Kaylin? What are you doing? Are you gonna play pool? Yeah? What? Let it fall. What? Careful. Wee. What does the duck say? What do they say? I know they're over there, but what do they say? Quack, quack. What does the elephant do? Yes, the trunk. And what does the tiger say? Roar. And the monkey? And the octopus? You have to let this go. Let me see. What does the octopus do? Really? Qué suave. ¿Y el fish? And the sheep? Say bye. Bye. Over here. Right here. Say bye. Bye bye, baby. Mwah. Let me see. Kiss.